interpersonal skill. Content, interpersonal skills, organizational skills, why interpersonal skills and models. 10 tips to develop interpersonal skills. What is interpersonal? We can see on this the picture, there are many kinds of pictures. So, what is interpersonal skills? All about working with other peoples, an ability to get along with other while performing the job, characteristics, traits like manners, attitude, courtesy, habits, behaviors, and appearance, which helps to us to communicate and maintain relationship with others. Organization context. Now the next person is organization. The organization context of how interpersonal skills are used can be shown by the vast number of interpersonal interaction. We can see on this the pictures. Now interpersonal skill while working with the other peoples. Take the relationship viewpoint. Effective relationship within the organization. In the for an example, in the companies and school, college, etc. Effective relationship with the suppliers, suppliers like banks, managers, etc. Effective relationship with the competitors like colleagues, friends, and what and others. Internally, in team, we, for an example, in cricket or friends, etc. And across the team, out of the team, within and between departments and business and units. Now mm, within and between departments like in working with the people in school, colleges, or factories, extra whatever you want. Externally, within the suppliers, for an example, you can visit like a companies and whatsoever with the customer, like a shop and whatsoever. We can meet with these the people. Interpersonal skill while working to gain real competitive advance through such relationship in the long term in department upon your level of interpersonal skill. Now we can see on this the picture, two pictures. Now why interpersonal skill need that? First, to improve relationship, working and environment, leadership skill, productivity, all round exercise and linking by the others. Why interpersonal skill needed? The first is oral. Now oral like we can speak. The presentation. Now you can very well aware of this in our class. We should get one kind of an presentation. Audience awareness, critically listening and body languages. Now many kinds of body languages are there. Now on written, academic reading, for an example your examination, revision and editing, critical reading and presentation data, non-verbal, audience awareness, personal awareness and body languages. Interpersonal skill and models. First is interpersonal skill. The second one is personality development. A person we can manage with we can see the person, then we can manage it. The third one is leadership. When and where interpersonal skill are required at workplace, while working in group to for effective socialization at work, presenting yourself at work, listening and questioning, giving or receiving feedback, and building, maintaining relationship. Tips to improve interpersonal skill. The first one is smile. Smiling face, always smiling face. When we are talking with the other person with a smiling face, be appreciate. We can appreciate the other person if the person's work is very good for appreciate. Be patient. Any question if you want to ask, be patient. First of all, we should uh, listen a person's question, then we should give politely request. Practicing and active listening. bring people together. Now resolve the conflict. Do not fight with the other person. First of all, understand the people, then fight. Communicative clearly. Your voice should be very clearly. Humor them. Do not spread the humors. Empathetic, see it on their sides. Don't complain too much. We should not become a complaint maker, but we should become a complaint solver. Now conclusion, interpersonal skills, organization context, why interpersonal skills models, 10 tips to develop the interpersonal skills. Thank you.